We often think of success in terms of wealth and material achievements. But real success is about much more than just money. In my books, Retire on Your Terms and Second Innings on Your Terms, I explore the full scope of what it means to live a successful, fulfilling life. Success is a journey that includes purpose, fulfillment, and inner peace. Let's explore the non-monetary dimensions of success. Strong, supportive relationships are essential. They bring joy, help us grow, and give us a sense of belonging. I discuss how relationships play a role in retirement and beyond in Retire on Your Terms. Prioritize physical and mental health. No amount of wealth can replace good health. Success also means taking care of your body and mind, which I emphasize in Second Innings on Your Terms is a key part of enjoying life. Continuous learning enriches us, enhances skills, and expands our horizons. Success involves staying curious and growing personally. Giving back, whether through time or through knowledge, adds meaning and joy to our lives. In my book, Second Innings on Your Terms, I discuss ways to give back. Achieving inner peace is perhaps the ultimate success. It's about finding balance, contentment, and purpose in our lives, a theme woven throughout both Retire on Your Terms and Second Innings on Your Terms. While financial security is essential, true success is a balance of money, relationships, health, personal growth, and purpose. My books guide readers to achieve this balance. Financial freedom is important, but not the full picture of success. My book, Retire on Your Terms, provides insights on achieving financial freedom that supports a well-rounded life. To dive deeper into creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and balance, check out my books Retire on Your Terms and Second Innings on Your Terms. Available now to help guide you toward a life of holistic success.